Hello friends, welcome to MDCJ. In this video, I will explain some details about WandaVision episode 9 season finale and I'll share my perspective on what we might see in the WandaVision episode 9. There are some questions like what will happen to Vision, is he gonna stay alive or dead, or both White and Red Visions will merge? Who will be the secret cameo that Paul Bettany was talking about? What will happen to Wanda? How will Doctor Strange appear in this season finale? What about an aerospace engineer? All questions like this will be answered in this video, so watch this video till the end. But before we start this video, let me tell you guys this video is available in 3 different languages, English, Hindi and Marathi. The other 2 video links are mentioned in the description below, so if you want then you can check it out, or you can just visit the MDCJ channel playlist section where I categorized all the videos according to the languages and content type. It will be very effortless for you to watch channel content in your preferred language. If you don't want to miss out on such daily Marvel and DC Universe related videos, then hit the subscribe button on the MDCJ channel and press the bell icon. Now without wasting your time, let's start this video. Recently, WandaVision's director debunks lots of fan theories, rumors and also teases to get ready for an unexpected ending. So there's not gonna be episode 10. Actually, this rumor was not entirely wrong. After the season finale, they are gonna show us the episode on the making of the WandaVision. According to what the director said, I think there will be no Mephisto or Nightmare in the season finale of WandaVision, but maybe the director is trying to mislead us. I think the season finale will begin with Wanda attacking Agnes to rescue her son. After, all 4 members of that family will stand against Agatha, including Vision. I don't think so that the real fight will begin here. I think Agatha will gonna vanish from there for a certain amount of time. Then SWORD will try to break inside Wanda's head with their new white Vision. After that, Vision and Wanda will decide to take on the SWORD team to save their home. We saw these both movements in recent TV spots. Here, Red and White Vision will fight against each other and Wanda will fight with these SWORD forces. Now, Agatha might take advantage of this and she might also attack Wanda. After episode 6, we didn't see Evan Peters' Quicksilver, so he'll definitely appear in this season finale. And we all know that this Quicksilver wasn't mind controlled by Agatha as she was just monitoring what he sees and listens. I think Quicksilver and Monica, both of them, will join in this huge fight. I'm still thinking that Magneto might appear in this episode to complete Wanda's quest. As we all know, all the persons who Wanda loved the most and those who died recently haven't reappeared in that pocket reality except her parents. So there are high chances that Magneto might appear in that reality exactly as I told you in my last breakdown and theory video. So that secret cameo might be Magneto. I don't think so there's any special cameo we might see for that aerospace engineer. But this is MCU, so we can't predict anything. There will definitely be some surprises for us. Quicksilver and Monica might help civilians to rescue them from this fight because Wanda's hex is definitely going to fall apart in this finale episode. Also, we might see Wanda's Scarlet Witch look in this final episode. Wanda will gain her full strength which activates the Scarlet Witch inside her. I'm 95% sure that Vision gonna die at the end of WandaVision. And I am also sure that the people already knew about this huge witch fight between Wanda and Agatha. There are some clues mentioned in Spider-Man Far From Home movie. As we all know, Spider-Man Far From Home movie events happened after the 8 months from Avengers Endgame and WandaVision events occurred after 4 weeks from Endgame events. In Spider-Man Far From Home movie, Professor Mr. Dell keeps mentioning witches while they were on a trip. He even said that they are leaving the trip because of the witches. After the 8 months when giving respect to heroes that died, they also mentioned Vision alongside Black Widow, Cap and Iron Man. If they showed Vision as dead and if they already knew about the WandaVision event, then Vision is definitely going to die at the end of WandaVision. I'm not sure about White Vision though. I think there's a chance that he may become Ultron, which SWORD can't control anymore. Jarvis was the only one who took over Ultron, but now there's no one to stop him. So SWORD's foolish experiment might be turned out as a disastrous experiment. Now the most important questions, what will happen to Wanda and how will Doctor Strange appear in WandaVision? Wanda will lose Vision again at the end of the fight. This will be 3rd time and it's gonna be a heartbreaking moment for Wanda. But he and Doctor Strange will help Wanda. The short scenes that we saw in the TV spots will prove this.
Stay. Stay. Welcome home.
Strange will help her to control everything that's been happening inside her mind. The multiverse already exists in MCU, so this final battle might be open some holes in this reality which let others come into this reality. And in the Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness movie, Wanda will join Doctor Strange to deal with the multiverse chaos caused by Wanda's hate. So friends, this is what I think will happen in the WandaVision episode 9. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to hit like and share this with other Marvel fans. If you don't want to miss out on such daily Marvel and DC Universe related videos, then hit the subscribe button on MDC's channel and press the bell icon. Now, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, do whatever you want to do. Just be safe, don't hurt anyone, and be happy.